Next, go to the resources folder, then open the colors folder. Inside, you will find a color palette image. You can see that each color has a unique hex code. We will use this code for better colors. Back to Unity, and here select the main camera and let's just change this background color. Copy one of the hex code from the palette and paste it into the camera's color field. Let's also create a color library to save these swatches. Set alpha to 100. Click the plus icon to save the color swatches. Do this to all colors you plan to use. It helps keep your scene consistent and organized. Once you are done, select the background color you want for your camera. Now, let's drag our square sprite into the scene again. Change this raw mode to sliced and set the width and height to 4. Change the camera's orthographic size to 10. Now, increase the square size a bit. 6x6 looks good for the outer area. Let's pick a color slightly darker than the camera's background so it stands out. Now, duplicate the square. Make it a child of a larger square. Set its width and height to 3 or 2 depending on how it looks. Change its color to match the camera background for a nice layered look. Now, drag another square into the scene. Move it slightly downward from the center. Now, set its draw mode to sliced and select the yellow color from the palette. Adjust the width and height. Rename this object to player. To create invisible wall for the game boundaries, we will using empty game objects. Select the main square and create an empty game object. Name it Collider. Now, add a box collider 2D to it and adjust its size and position to match the top wall. Duplicate this collider and move it to the bottom. Duplicate again and adjust it for the left and right walls. Make sure to check the is trigger option on all of them. Now, let's add the box collider 2D to the center square as well. And again, make sure is trigger is enabled. This will allow us to detect interactions with the wall and center without applying physics. And that's it. We have set up our game area, added the player and created all the invisible boundaries. We are now ready to start working on movement and gameplay.